Did you know you can grow a ton of lettuce just like this with zero effort from the moment you plant the seed to the moment it's ready to harvest? And all you really need is a bucket. I've based this setup on research undertaken by Kratky out of the University of Hawaii. And what it is a non-circulating or completely passive hydroponic setup. It's often referred to as the Kratky method. At the start, you plant a seed or seedling into a growing medium and then fill the container with nutrient solution. As the plant grows, the roots get bigger and growing down into that nutrient solution, but also keeping an air gap in there so the roots don't rot. Let's jump back a couple of weeks and I'll show you exactly how I set this up. So for my growing pod, I'm going to use a 20-litre food-safe bucket with a lid. It's cheap, durable, and the perfect size for what I want. Kratky's research suggests that one lettuce plant will use up to 6 litres to reach maturity. So with this bucket, I should be able to comfortably grow 3 lettuce plants. To grow my lettuce plants, I bought these slotted baskets on Amazon. So now I'm going to drill 3 holes in the lid with a hole saw. Look at that, perfect fit. For my growing medium, I'm going to use coir peat, which is made from coconut fiber husk. It's natural and it is very cheap as well. So I'm just going to break some of this off and in a separate bucket, rinse it in some clean, fresh water, and that's going to help remove any excess salts from processing. All right, now I'm going to fill each of my little baskets with this coir peat. And then I'm going to pop a lettuce seed into each of these. Actually, I'm going to pop a couple in just to be sure. And then I can thin them out later. And the last thing that I need to do is mix up the growing nutrients. So the one that I've got has got a part A and a part B. According to the instructions, you need 3 mils of each part per litre of water. So I'm going to need 60 mils of each. Part B, which is a different colour. It's like a science experiment going on here. Now all I've got to do is fill this bucket with water and then put the lid on it, making sure that each of these baskets is touching the water. Then it's just a matter of waiting for the magic to happen. So it's been just under 6 weeks, and as you can see, the lettuce has grown massively and is ready to start harvesting. If I lift one of the plants out here, I can show you the root system, which has been growing down into that nutrient solution. It looks like we've only used about 1/3 to half of the solution. Well, I'm gonna call this a success, and I can't believe just how easy it was to grow all of this.